Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. We've all been there. It's a universal experience, one that transcends cultures, ages, and backgrounds. You meet a girl and sparks fly for you, your heart races, your palms get sweaty, and you feel an instant connection, but for her, not so much. She might not feel the same way, and that can be disheartening. It's tough, it's frustrating, and it can be a blow to your ego. You start questioning yourself, wondering what you did wrong. You might feel like giving up. Don't. Attraction isn't always immediate. Sometimes it takes time to develop. It can grow over time, just like a plant that needs nurturing and care. The key is to approach the situation with the right mindset. Forget tricks or shortcuts. This isn't about manipulation, it's about genuine connection. It's about building a foundation of trust and understanding. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Invest in your own growth, both physically and mentally. This journey starts with understanding her perspective. Listen to her, understand her interests, and respect her feelings. She might not be interested right now, and that's okay. It's important to accept that, and not take it personally. People have different timelines, different experiences. What might not work out now could change in the future. Instead of feeling defeated, see this as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become more resilient. An opportunity for growth, for self-discovery, and for building real attraction. Take this time to reflect on what you truly want and how you can achieve it. Remember, the journey to genuine connection is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process and you'll find that the right person will come along when the time is right. First things first, accept her feelings. Her feelings are valid. She might not be interested right now. That's okay. Don't try to force it. Trying to convince her or change her mind will only push her away. Instead of dwelling on her lack of interest, shift your focus. Accept her decision and respect her space. This shows maturity and understanding, qualities that are truly attractive. Remember, attraction is a complex thing. It's influenced by many factors. You can't control how someone feels. What you can control is how you respond. Choose respect and understanding. Become the best you. Now's the time to focus on yourself. What are your passions? What makes you excited about life? Dive headfirst into these things. Pursue your hobbies, explore new interests, and become the best version of yourself. When you're genuinely passionate about your life, it shows. You radiate confidence and positivity. This is incredibly attractive. People are drawn to those who are passionate and driven. Think about it. Would you rather be with someone who's content and fulfilled, or someone who's constantly seeking validation from others? The answer is clear. But don't be cocky. Confidence is magnetic. It shows you believe in yourself and your worth. But there's a fine line between confidence and cockiness. Confidence is about self-assuredness, while cockiness is about arrogance. Work on building genuine confidence. This comes from within. It's about recognizing your strengths and accepting your flaws. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. How do you build confidence? Start small, set achievable goals, and celebrate your successes. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift you. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Section 5. Playful banter. Keep things light and fun. When you do interact with her, keep it light and playful. This means engaging in conversations that are fun and easygoing. Avoid heavy or serious topics that might dampen the mood. Instead, focus on things that make both of you laugh and enjoy the moment. Engage in witty banter, make her laugh, and show your sense of humor. Humor is a great way to build a connection and make her feel comfortable around you. Share funny stories, make lighthearted jokes, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. This shows that you are confident and can take things in stride. But avoid being overly complimentary or showering her with attention. While it's nice to give compliments, too many can come off as insincere or overwhelming. Instead, focus on genuine interactions and let the compliments come naturally. This way, she will appreciate them more and feel that they are heartfelt. The goal is to create a fun, easygoing dynamic. You want her to feel relaxed and happy when she's with you. This means being attentive but not overbearing, and showing interest in what she has to say without dominating the conversation. You want her to enjoy your company without feeling pressured. Give her space to express herself and be herself. This will make her feel more comfortable and open up to you more easily. Think of yourself as a breath of fresh air, not a suffocating cloud. Be someone who brings positivity and lightness into her life. This will make her look forward to spending time with you and create a strong, positive association with your presence. Remember, attraction thrives on a bit of push and pull. This means not always being available or agreeing with everything she says. A little bit of playful teasing and lighthearted disagreement can create a dynamic that keeps things interesting and engaging. Don't be afraid to tease her playfully or disagree with her, respectfully, of course. This shows that you have your own opinions and are not afraid to express them. It also adds a bit of excitement and unpredictability to your interactions. This creates a spark, a dynamic that keeps things interesting. By keeping things light and fun, you create an environment where attraction can grow naturally and effortlessly. So, remember to keep things playful, be yourself, and enjoy the journey of getting to know each other. Section 6. The allure of mystery. Don't overwhelm her. Don't bombard her with messages or try to be around her constantly. It's important to strike a balance between showing interest and giving her the space she needs. Overloading her with attention can make her feel suffocated and may push her away. Give her space to breathe and let her wonder about you. When you allow her to have her own time, it shows that you respect her independence and trust her to come to you when she's ready. This creates a healthy dynamic where both of you can grow individually and together. A little mystery goes a long way. Being an open book can sometimes take away the excitement. By keeping a few things to yourself, you create an air of intrigue that can be very attractive. It's not about playing games, but about maintaining a sense of individuality and depth. When you're not always available, you become more intriguing. Your absence can make her appreciate your presence even more. It gives her time to miss you and think about the moments you've shared. This can deepen her feelings and make your interactions more meaningful. She'll start to wonder what you're up to, who you're with, and what you're thinking. This curiosity can lead to a stronger emotional connection as she becomes more invested in getting to know you better. It's a natural human tendency to be drawn to what we don't fully understand. This piques her curiosity and makes you more desirable. When she talks to her friends about you, it adds another layer of interest and excitement. They might even encourage her to pursue you more actively, which can work in your favor. Think of it this way: a delicious meal is best enjoyed in courses, not all at once. Each course builds anticipation for the next, making the entire experience more enjoyable and memorable. Similarly, spacing out your interactions can make each moment together more special. Space out your interactions to create anticipation and keep her wanting more. By doing so, you allow the relationship to develop naturally and at a comfortable pace. This approach can lead to a deeper, more lasting connection that is built on mutual respect and genuine interest. Section 7. Patience is a virtue. Let things unfold. Attraction takes time to develop. Don't expect her to suddenly fall head over heels. Be patient and let things unfold naturally. Rushing the process will only make you seem desperate. Instead, focus on building a genuine connection. Engage in meaningful conversations, discover shared interests, and let your personalities shine through. Remember, the goal is not to win her over. It's about allowing a genuine connection to blossom organically, and sometimes that takes time. Section 8. Respecting boundaries, a must-do. Above all, respect her boundaries. If she's not reciprocating your feelings, don't push it. Don't try to guilt-trip her or make her feel bad for not being interested. Respect her decisions and her space. If she needs distance, give it to her. This shows maturity and respect, qualities that are truly attractive. Remember, you can't force someone to like you, and trying to do so will only damage any potential for friendship or connection in the future. Section 9. Shifting focus. Find joy in your life. While you're working on yourself and building a connection, don't forget to live your life. Pursue your passions, spend time with friends and family, and do things that bring you joy. When you're happy and fulfilled, it shows. You become a magnet for positive energy and attract others who are on the same wavelength. Plus, having a fulfilling life outside of your pursuit of her will make you more attractive. It shows you're not defined by your relationship status and that you have a lot to offer. Section 10. The power of you. Embrace your worth. Remember, you are worthy of love and connection. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. Embrace your unique qualities and let your true self shine. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. Confidence and self-love are incredibly attractive qualities. So, hold your head high, embrace your worth, and know that you deserve to be with someone who appreciates you for exactly who you are. Section 11. Conclusion. Attract her by being your best self. Attracting a girl who isn't initially interested is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, understanding, and a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. Focus on self-improvement, build genuine confidence, and let your personality shine through. Respect her boundaries, be patient, and let things unfold naturally. Remember, you can't force someone to like you, but you can create an environment where attraction can blossom organically. And who knows, she might just surprise you. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.